Does this sound like you? Next year, I'll start exercising. Next year, I'll save more money. Next year, I'll finally focus on me. But somehow, next year never comes, and you're stuck wondering why your goals feel out of reach. It's not your fault. Without a plan, it's easy to feel stuck. That's why I created the 2025 Future Self-Planning Workshop, a live session to turn your someday into a clear plan. Here's what you'll gain: clarity on where to focus, a step-by-step plan for 2025, and tools to finally move forward. This isn't just another self-help seminar. This is a hands-on experience where you'll work with me to get focused, create your personalized roadmap, and leave ready to make 2025 your most successful year yet. Don't wait for someday. Join us on December 14th and make 2025 your best year ever. Spots are limited. Sign up now and take the first step toward your future.